What's up, guys? It is time for my first ever product review. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Gamma Ray computer glasses. What's up, guys? I'm Andy. You're watching Learn How, and I create video lessons, tutorials, product reviews of things that will improve your lifestyle. So if you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. All right, this is my product review of the Gamma Ray computer glasses. Also like blue light glasses, UV glasses, I don't know, whatever else you want to call them. But I work in front of a computer all day, and I was getting really bad eye strain, just like staring at a computer screen for 8 hours. Like my eyes were getting dry, red, I was having trouble sleeping at night, and all sorts of stuff like that. So I went online, did a little bit of research, and found these glasses. There's a link right below this video that will take you right to the glasses on Amazon. I don't know what the current price is, and prices always change. So just go check out that link to see what the current up-to-date price is for these glasses, but they are not expensive at all. Now, here is my review of them. I've been using these for like probably a month now, and they are actually pretty awesome. So you'll see here that you might not be able to tell, but there's like a really little yellow coating, kind of like purpley yellow coating to them, but you can't really tell when you have them on. I guess if you look, you can probably see like a little yellow or purple on the lens, but it will kind of make your computer screen a little bit yellow. I thought it was going to be pretty bad, but it's actually not that bad. Like it's kind of like if you had Night Shift on in your iPhone. It's not even that yellow. Like Night Shift is more yellow than these are. But wearing them is pretty awesome, and they have non-prescription. So I don't wear glasses or contacts, so I have the non-prescription version, and they work great for me. It doesn't really bother me at all. Like when you first wear them, it might like kind of be a little hard to get used to, especially if you don't wear glasses. But yeah, they fit on my head great. They're actually surprisingly pretty like sturdy for being like kind of cheap, inexpensive glasses. And they come with this nice little like case. It's kind of like a hard shell case, so you can like put it in your backpack and stuff, and you don't have to worry about them breaking. And it comes with like this little microfiber cleaning cloth thing that you can use to clean off like smudges or stuff. I'm pretty paranoid about keeping my glasses pretty fingerprintless. But yeah, then they just kind of like fold up, and you can just like set them right here in that case like that, and you're ready to go. Pretty awesome glasses, guys. I definitely recommend these. I haven't really tried any other glasses, computer glasses, just because these ones work so great for me and they're a great price. So if you are experiencing eye strain and are thinking about getting some computer glasses, I would definitely give these ones a shot, and I think they have different designs available as well. So go check out that link below this video. That'll take you right to Amazon where you can get your hands on these glasses. And they're great for anyone who works in front of a computer screen all day. All right, if you like this video, guys, please do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you get the glasses, what you think of them. I'd love to hear your feedback as well and your experience. Share this video if you know anyone who works in front of a computer and their eyes hurt a lot all day. They might be interested in getting some of these, and it really will save their eyes. So yeah, share it with your friends. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.